Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something I've mentioned a couple times before already, in amongst other things, but this is going to be specifically to this, so it's going to be a short topic here. Socks. It's getting the winter time. I don't know about you, but I know a lot of people that have in climates where things change from snow to hot summers and stuff like that have different pairs of socks. You have the wool socks and stuff for the winter time, the lightweight cotton socks for the summertime. Well, hey, socks. Do you have enough to last you if all of a sudden the supply chain goes and implodes and they're not delivering socks anymore? So check out your supply, what you have, figure out what you need. Make sure you got a couple of years worth there put away in the cupboards. That way you don't have to worry about rushing out and buying them when I got a hole in this pair of socks. Oh no, this pair, all my socks have holes in them. Yeah, you don't want to end up like that. You want to be able to have some on hand all times so you can get out the new socks and just start using them. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Make sure you have, besides food and water, have all the clothing needs you need. All right? So why is that? Well, this is why.